You wake up on a Monday morning, rub your eyes and check your phone, only to realize your PayPal balance has just crossed $12,000 in 30 days. Not a year, not 6 months, but in a single month. And here's the shocking part. Almost nobody is talking about this side hustle. This is the untold story of Arjun, an ordinary guy who just 2 years ago was completely broke, stuck in a soul-crushing 9-to-5 job that barely covered his rent, suffocating under bills, and secretly wondering if life was always going to feel like a never-ending cycle of paycheck-to-paycheck survival. Every night, long after his roommates went to sleep, he'd sit at his tiny desk with nothing but a flickering lamp and his old laptop, desperately scrolling through YouTube videos, promising easy ways to make money online. Drop shipping? Too risky. He couldn't afford to burn thousands on ads. Crypto and trading? Too complicated, and he had already lost a small savings trying. Freelancing? Too crowded. He didn't have skills that stood out. Each failed attempt chipped away at his confidence, until one late night he stumbled onto something different, something hidden in plain sight: digital product resale. The idea sounded almost too simple. Instead of inventing a brand new product from scratch, you take existing digital products like ebooks, templates, stock photos, or ready-made guides, acquire a license to resell them, give them a fresh design and a personal brand, and then put them in front of people already looking for them on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. It felt almost like a cheat code. No inventory, no shipping, no customer service headaches, just files that could be duplicated endlessly. Skeptical but desperate, Arjun decided to test it. He scraped together just $50 and bought the rights to a set of fitness meal plan guides. He redesigned them with Canva, slapped on a catchy title, and uploaded them to Etsy, waiting anxiously as days passed. Day 1, nothing. Day 2, nothing. By day 3, he was convinced it was another failure, until suddenly, ping! A $19 notification popped up on his phone. That single sale changed everything. 1 order turned into 5, 5 turned into 20. By the end of week 1, he had made $412, which felt like a fortune compared to his struggling paycheck. Excited, Arjun doubled down. He uploaded more products, tweaked his listings with better keywords, and started posting short 15-second TikTok reels showing quick meal prep hacks, casually linking his guides in the bio. Then something magical happened. The algorithm picked him up. One of his short videos exploded past 1 million views, and traffic flooded his store. Within days, his sales skyrocketed, and by the end of the first month, his total earnings hit $12,486 from digital files that didn't even exist a month earlier. The secret side hustle nobody talks about is digital product flipping, and it works because people are always willing to pay for convenience, simplicity, and ready-to-use solutions. Arjun didn't invent fitness. He didn't write groundbreaking recipes. He simply understood what people wanted, packaged it beautifully, and placed it right in front of them. That's the real lesson. You don't need millions of followers, you don't need years of experience, and you don't need huge startup capital. What you need is the ability to recognize a problem people care about and the courage to present a solution in the simplest possible way. And while most people are complaining about inflation, jobs, and the system being unfair, there are a handful of people like Arjun, who are quietly making $12,000 a month with a side hustle almost nobody is even aware of. The only question left is, if you knew this secret, would you be brave enough to try it?
I hope all of you doing well, and please support me as much as you can, because your one subscribe really motivates me a lot to make you feel confident and make your journey very easier.